My name's Mark. I've been operating Posi-Tracks for probably 2 years now. Work for BMI Civil. We do all the easements under the power lines, over mountains, valleys, all terrain. This tackles all of it really. It goes up and over all the mountains we've tried to tackle. It just shreds everything. It's perfect here. Yeah, it definitely does the job, that's for sure. It's a very comfortable machine. Yeah, easy to operate. The visual as well on the RT-135 is a lot better than because they're normally caged in. And this is it's just so much safer because of your visual, which is a big thing. It's dangerous out here and you can't see anywhere really, and you need to know. Look to your left and your right. You've got cliffs and just holes and everything. And as soon as I sat in this, when we went to pick it up, it was as soon as I sat in it, I just thought it's perfect. You can see your visual is just perfect, which is probably one of the biggest things in driving these machines is your visual. So yeah, it's perfect. And there's more leg room as well. The seat doesn't only go backwards and forwards, it goes up and down, which makes a big difference. Yeah, another thing with this machine is the counterweight. Just here underneath on the other side there, it just stops that rock, because they are really bouncy machines, and that makes a big difference. Also the air conditioning, because there's so much dust all the time, you need to blow them out all the time, but just the access to the air conditioning is just so much easier, and it's just a better setup in general. Perfect.